back to my channel, and if you're new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis.
And I'm Ted.
And I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now we are going to share with you how my son is going to clean the oven. As I just mentioned, today my son is going to be cleaning the oven, and we thought we'd do a little video of it. Yeah. He wants to earn a little bit of money to spend on his game, Fortnite. So we've agreed that he can clean the oven for the amount of money that he is going to make. The oven really needs a good clean. It's quite dirty, and Ted is quite an expert at cleaning the oven now. He's done it a few times before.
I've only done it once.
Well, I thought, well, he's an expert at cleaning the oven. Kinda. So yeah, I thought we'd do, as I said, I thought we'd do a little video of it, and I thought I'd share it with you. So here is how Ted has cleaned the oven. As you can see here, the oven is quite dirty and the grill is quite dirty as well, so they really did need a good clean. So to start the process, I was showing Ted the cleaning solution I like to use. So I've added some vinegar, some washing up liquid and a few drops of essential oil to a big warm bowl of water. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the glass from the grill, and then we start taking everything out. And then Ted is going to start cleaning the grill first. I did help him to clean the grill. I know that's probably cheating a little bit, but he does do a very good job, but sometimes he misses bits, so I just have to show him where those bits are. So yeah, I stood here and Ted did a really good job at cleaning the grill. He cleaned all the bottom of the grill and the sides of the grill as well, and he also cleaned the door as well. And then once that was cleaned, we then moved on to cleaning the oven. Cleaning the bottom oven, we removed all of the items from it. So I helped Ted with this part as well, because some of these items in our oven are quite heavy. The stoneware is very heavy, so I did help him with the stoneware, and I also helped to take the door off as well, because that's glass. I didn't really want him to touch that. And then he started to clean the bottom part of the oven, and I have to say he did a really good job at this. We did change the water from the grill. Once we'd finished cleaning the grill, we also changed that water and got some fresh cleaning solution in there as well. And then Ted just wiped around the base of the oven and the sides. He also wiped the wire racks inside the oven, and he also cleaned the door as well. I have to say he did do a fantastic job at cleaning this oven. It looks a lot better now. In the water, sweetheart. Right, carry on. Once Ted had finished cleaning the oven, he then dried it. So he used a tea towel to dry the oven as well. So he dried the door and he made it all nice and shiny and clean. And then we cleaned the inside parts of the oven. So I'm using the same cleaning solution as I did in the washing up bowl. So we've got some white spirit vinegar there, some washing up liquid and some essential oils as well. And Ted just cleans each part individually. He's not cleaning the stoneware because that's cleaned differently, but he is cleaning everything else that's inside the oven. This bit I did have to help him with, however. The glass door was quite filthy and he did find it quite hard to get all the dirt off. So did I. I ended up cleaning the glass door here, and I did use a scouring pad to try and get a lot of the dirt off, but a lot of it didn't come off, I have to say. I think it's permanently stained on there now, but it looks better than it did. So I was pleased with the finished results when it went back in the oven. So I just continue to try and clean this glass door now. I'd finished cleaning the glass door of the oven, Ted then continued to clean the rest of the items from the oven. So he cleaned the wire racks that sit inside the oven, and I think he cleaned the tray at the bottom of the grill as well, and he also cleaned the parts that hold the glass in as well. So that plastic bit on the side that holds the glass in, so he also cleaned those as well, and he did a really good job at this. He did have a bit of help from Mummy. I did take stuff away from the sink, but he did mainly do this job on his own, so I did think he deserved the money that we gave him for the job. Once Ted had finished cleaning all of the items from the inside of the oven, we then put everything back. Ted was getting a bit tired and a bit bored at this point, so I dried all of the items and he put them back into the oven. Apart from the glass doors, I put those back, but I did become a bit unstuck here. I actually got the plastic bits that you put on the end to hold the glass in place the wrong way round, and it took me a few tries and Howard coming downstairs to realise that I'd put them on the wrong way round. Eventually I get there in the end, but I was a bit confused as to why that wasn't fitting onto the oven properly. As you can see, we swapped the glass around a lot as well, but eventually we get there, and I figured out that it was the fact that I had those two plastic bits the wrong way round. So the one in the oven should have been in the grill, and the one in the grill should have been in the oven. But we did it eventually. Finally, everything went back inside the oven, and Ted and I were really pleased with the finished results. The oven looks lovely and clean once again. Ted and I have finished cleaning the oven, and we're really pleased with the finished results. It's looking really clean now, so we can cook some delicious meals in it again. So we're very pleased, as I said. So that's it from us. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.